Oh! Ah! Oh! That's so good. This barber with millions of followers popped up on my Instagram feed recently doing some very strange and interesting things, and so I decided to fly all the way to Ankara, Turkey just to get a haircut with him. Well, way more than a haircut, but first thanks to MyHeritage for sponsoring this video. So after all this recent travel, I got curious about my own ancestry, so in this sponsorship I will be revealing on camera my very own DNA test results by partnering with MyHeritage, a leading global family history and DNA service that makes exploring your ancestry easier than ever. It only took a very quick cheek swab, which I mailed into the lab, and while I was waiting for the results to come in, I did have a lot of fun with MyHeritage's Photo Enhance feature, which can enhance and animate your old family photos. And now, just a few weeks later, the results are sitting in my inbox. Let's check them out. Oh my god, this is really dramatic. I like the music, 92% Jewish, okay. What's the other 8%? I'm Welsh! I knew it! Sarahi, baby, yeah! That's cool. Iberian? Oh, no wonder I speak Spanish so well. Hola, ¿cómo estás? That's cool. Wow. Ashkenazi Jewish, Eastern Europe, mostly Lithuania, Poland, and Belarus. That's not surprising. I mean, I knew my father's family was from Lithuania. What I'm more interested in is the Iberian section. That is so cool. I'm freaking Spanish. Oh my god. And Welsh. I'm Welsh! Let's check out DNA matches. Oh my god, look. There's a second cousin from Spain here. So no wonder I'm 4% Spanish. And I can even contact her. So just click the link in the description box below or use the QR code and use coupon code Xiaomanyc to get free shipping on your DNA kit and a 30-day free trial of MyHeritage's best subscription for family history research. Merhaba. Türkçe biraz biliyorum ama evet. Türkçe ilk defa geliyorum. Evet. Çünkü dünyanın en ünlü berberi gitmek çok istiyorum. Allah razı olsun. So merhaba. Memnun oldum. Memnun oldum. Yeah.
Komple ben bütün bildiklerimi yapayım. Saç sakal kesimini yapalım. Cilt bakımı yapalım, masaj yapalım, el bakımını, ayak bakımını, full böyle paket.
Is that hot?
Relax.
Oh shit.
No problem.
What is that? Ah! What the f***?
No problem.
This is certainly interesting. Can you...
Cheers to that.
What's the purpose of that? Okay. Oh. I love how he starts with the inner ear and the nostrils. This is my kind of barber.
İnce tüyleri çoğalmasın diye yakarak alıyoruz. Jiletle veyahut da farklı bir şeyle aldığın zaman daha çok sıkılaşır. Ağdayla özellikle çekmelerde falan şey yapar ama yakmadan sıkı olduğu gibi kalır. Sadece de makineyle de o sert kıllar alıyoruz.
Now, it may surprise you as you watch the rest of this video, but I did get an actual very nice haircut and shave at this barbershop, although that's not really what you come here for. Siniz en iyi berber. It was actually a fairly normal barbershop experience up till the moment I realized the barber chair actually converts into a flatbed torture chamber. It's like the doctor's office. Like you just have a thing that lifts you up. Time for the inspection, sir.
Şimdi güzel bir masaja geçiyoruz.
Open wide. That's good. It's like he plundered the dollar store for like random knickknacks and is using those to massage my butt. What the f was that?
What? Oh. Oh, that's... Oh, I love it. Oh my god, he's like ironing my feet. Oh my god, that's good. Yo, yo, yo, yo, yo. Oh my god. Oh, oh yeah. Oh my god, yes, yes. Oh shit. I'm sweating. Oh, that's delicious. Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Shit. Oh my, right in the butt. Oh man. What the fuck? Whoa. Oh. Oh man. Whoa. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh, it's cupping. Whoa. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. That's great. Oh yeah, çok güzel. I like this. Yeah, çok seviyorum.
Yeni başladık daha. Onlar hep ön sevişmeydi. Masajı yeni geçtik.
What is he saying?
Some praying words like Quran.
Oh, Quran.
Usturma değil mi? Gazı var mı? Bazen usturuyorlar zaten.
Do you need to fart or something?
A fart? No, I do not. But thank you. Teşekkürler. If I need to, I'll let him know.
Ne dedin oğlum? Adam usturma dedin. Ne dedin sen?
Söylerim diye haber veririm.
Ridiculous. Oh man. Oh. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Oh. No. Oh.
Kolay olmadı.
Oh. Ah. Oh, that's good. Oh.
Relax. Bende kal.
Oh my God. This is stimulating my wrist. Oh, that's wild. Wow, that's good though. Oh, God, I feel it in my nervous system. Oh. You know, as strange as this is, though, it's really getting all the tension out. It's very relaxing. Oh, oh, oh, go. Oh, yeah.
Ne kadar? Direkt boyuna gidiyor buradaki sinirler.
Oh, you could kill somebody like this. Like I'm strapping it and not letting go, holding on for dear life to this roller coaster of pleasure. Can you ask him where he learned to massage like this?
Güreş milli takımının masörü arkadaşım o bana sevdirdi. Sonra Akköy Üniversitesi'nden masaj sertifikası aldım. 540 saat eğitim aldım. Daha sonra onun bir üst sınıf mesleki yeterlilik belgesi, masaj belgesini aldım. En üst seviye olan. 1000 tane masörde 10 kişi 15 kişi de var masaj belgesi. Zor oldu ama başardık. Sevmek yani takip etmek, ilgilenmek, vücudun anatomisini öğrenmek kolay olmadı.
Oh, oh, oh, oh, oh, shit. Oh.
Şimdi geçeyim.
Tamam.
El masajı ve ayak masajı.
On my toes. Oh my god. Tickle.
Yavaş hareketler yapsın, ani hareket yapmasın. 3 saniye içeride duruyor, 3 saniye dışarı çıkarıyor. Parafinin taşı olmaya gayret edilir.
Making me nervous.
Just 3 seconds.
Holy shit. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Sokuyor, içine sok. Sok içine. Şöyle. Çıkar. Bekle. Sok.
Okay.
Şöyle sok. Okey.
What on earth? Okay. Again.
Evet. Oynatmasın, kımıldatmasın, böyle dursun. Onu sonra çek.
Is he waxing my feet? What the f?
Şöyle şöyle.
Oh my god.
Çıkar, çıkar.
Okay.
Beklesin 3 saniye. Donsun.
Wait 3 seconds.
Tekrar, şimdi sok.
Again. Okay, this I have never done before.
Çıkar. Okey. Böyle dur.
Feet have been waxed. And I don't mean like they waxed their hair off. I mean my feet have been encased in wax. They cannot move them. This is the weirdest. Again with the. Oh. It's very funny.
Yapın çekebilirsin.
Wait.
What?
Çöp attığımda gördüm.
Okay. This is wonderful. Wow. My feet feel really clean.
Gözlerini kapatıyor, işlem bitene kadar açmıyor. Şu an sonra gözü yanar, sıkıntı yaşarız. Hamama gitmiş galiba. Hı? Burada bir gözünü hafiften bir açsın baksın duruma.
This is terrifying.
Bağırma aslan aslan.
Oh, that's so good. Oh my god. Oh, that feels so good. Whoa! What was that? This is the best. That feels really good. Ah! He just cracked my ear. What the fuck?
Bütünleş.
What? Holy shit! This guy, he's the devil. This is crazy.
Relax. Bende kal. Relax. Çok sıkıyorsun. Bende kal. Çok sıkı. Çok sıkı. çekmeseydin vicdan olsun.
Keseriz ya.
Holy shit.
Salsın ki elini karnının üstüne koysun. Dişlerini birbirine değdirsin. Dişlerini birbirine değdirsin söyle.
Touch your
Nefes alsın versin. Nefes alsın versin.
breath. Take a breath.
Güvensin bana. Nefes alsın versin.
Trust him. Take a breath.
Al ver, al ver. Al ver.
Holy shit. That was a crack.
Nefes. Nefes. Nefes.
Take breath.
Nefes. Relax. Relax. Evet.
This is fucking cool. It's like a one-man spa. He can do everything.
Ayaklar sabit dursun. Yat üstüne. Koy. Yat. Yat üstüne. Yat. Basın basın kendini. Sal üstüne. Üstüme yatsın. Yat. Jesus Christ. Üstüne yat.
You're crazy. This is very scary. Okay.
Evet, saygılar, sevgiler.
Wow. You know, I have to say that was really almost a spiritual experience. Truly very extraordinary. And you know what? I want to say also, there's nobody in the world like you. Like you are truly one of a kind. This is it's magic, really. And everybody should come to here to Turkey to go and experience this wonderful pleasure. Teşekkürler. Amazing. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. It was unique, one of a kind.
So huge thanks again to MyHeritage for sponsoring this video. Make sure to click the link in the description box or use the QR code and use coupon code Xiaomanyc for free shipping to get your DNA kit and a 30-day free trial of MyHeritage's best subscription for family history research.